Try totting up the total cost of this package. This 160 LED light, it's 6 inches by 4, and I've seen them on sale for between £16 to £40 without a battery. A Sony battery and charger. Well, I looked online and they're only selling in 2s with a charger for £20, so I'll halve that to 10. You can get some really good ball and socket joints, but the cheapest one I saw was £3. A 79-inch light stand. I looked through the internet and saw some extremely expensive ones. One of the cheaper ones at the same height of 79 inches was £21. The answer that I got was £50. Now that's £50, double it, 100, and add to it a carry bag at say 20, £120. And that's the cost of this package? No, it's not. It's way less than that. The lighting system comes in its own zip-up bag with 2 stands, 2 lights, 2 batteries and 2 chargers. In fact, the bag is big enough to get more lights in as well, so I've got other lights in my bag with mine. Each light has 160 LEDs and a beam angle of 60 degrees. There are 2 diffusers, one is set at 5500K and the other one at 3200K. The lights themselves are pretty small at 6 by 4 inches and only 1 inch deep, small enough to fit in your pocket. The tripods that hold the lights are pretty nicely made, to be honest. They go up to 79 inches as well. It comes with 2 ball and socket links, and those links allow you to angle the lights anywhere you want really, and they can also be used to fit the light on top of a camera. On the back of each light, as well as having an up and down for the brightness, it's also got a little thing in the middle that actually tells you what the charge of the battery is. If you want to see how much charge you've got left, all you've got to do is turn on the light and then press the middle switch, and then a little indicator tells you how much you've got left. I also like the fact that the batteries come out off the back, so you can carry spares when you need them. So if you want to experiment with studio lighting yourself, these 2 little lights on stands are a great introduction to trying things out, and it'll happily sit on top of a little tiny portable tripod. Then there's another sneaky little trick that you can do with these low power lights, is place them inside a scene so they're highlighting something. Very useful. The lights can be used on top of cameras as well. You could fit one of them in your pocket when you're out and about. And everything fits into this bag. 2 stands, 2 lights, 2 chargers, all in a bag. How much for the lot? £76.15. Hope to see you next time. Cheers for now.